Okay, so this is Rony, Calderon, Sara. I have made an investment rack application. So the primary objective of this project was to create a retrieval augmented generation chatbot designed for a local investors community. The chatbot will handle frequently asked questions and provide informative response. However, one of the initial challenges that I encountered was that the investors community did not have a predefined FAQ dataset to work with. So I go to another approach. Uh, I went to like a more general approach about this investment answering questions. So this bank scope made it made possible to leverage widely available resources like the Investopedia website that I used, known for its comprehensive financial dictionary to create this. So um, I decided to focus on creating this general investor. I select the Investopedia just as I said. Um, so I took advantage of the dictionary that has a lot of investment specific titles and questions and topics, and I took advantage also of the structure, and so I crawl all over the this specific section. I took a lot of information of this, and so the first was when the data collection was to create a web scraping or crawling script to gather the information from this Wikipedia site. Um, the focus was on extracting key elements for each financial term, including the title, description, and the body content. And these elements I stored in a SQLite database, so it make it easy to access and manipulate the data as needed. Later, I cleaned this data as a usable format, and then I started to create embeddings with ChromaDB. I used the title embeddings, link it with the descriptions via a title ID. So I didn't need to embed the whole descriptions, just embed the titles. So I can, with this, with this mix, I could just embed the titles and search for them. And if I get a match, I just grab the descriptions from that. Um, then I create that, but it was like a really large database, like 600 megabytes. So I wouldn't able to upload that uh, to a free uh, to a free host. So my solution was to move to a Pinecone for more scalable. So I took all of those embeddings and put it into a Python to scalability, and that was an efficient. So then I update the app with radio on Hugging Face. I choose Hugging Face for it's free and it has uh, free hosting and embedding capacity. It likes 2 gigabytes from RAM, and it's really great. And I use this model, the BAA small, that they have allowed on Hugging Face also. And so this enhances the scalability and easy to access the models. And so when the implementation, so integrated the bot Pinecone and Hugging Face, just create a powerful backend for the chatbot. I just going to show that right now. Me go here. Okay, so this is my app running on Hugging Face. Let me just refresh it so you can see it's running. So is if I just ask for what is Bitcoin, It's going to take a few seconds. I can later I can improve this, but since I have like a 16,000 embeddings, it's gonna take a while to search for it. So if you can see, it has reliable information there. And but if for example I ask what is P, that shouldn't be that, it's like misspelled, it's going to take care of that. You can see now uh, it's like this, so it recognizes even when it's not spelled correctly. So that's great. And whatever you ask for it, like where can I like sell stock, is going to respond. So that's a minute. Oh, here. So it's going to deliver a lot of information with the context about the rack implementation. So that's my presentation, and thank you.